In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide text and other content from view in PowerPoint. Whether you're preparing a presentation for work, school, or any other purpose, knowing how to hide certain elements temporarily can be incredibly useful. This trick can help you focus different parts of your presentation without permanently changing your slides. Let's jump right in and see how this can be done easily. First things first, you need to have PowerPoint open on your computer. Launch the application as you usually would, either from your desktop or by searching for it in your Start menu. Once PowerPoint is open, make sure you have your presentation file readily accessible. If your presentation is saved on your computer, go ahead and open it now by navigating to File, selecting Open, and browsing for the particular PowerPoint presentation you're working with. Now that you have your presentation open and ready, let's move on to the slide where you want to hide content. Browse through your slides on the left side of your screen to locate the specific slide you're interested in. Go ahead and click on it, which will bring it up in the main view for editing. With your slide selected, you're now ready for the next step. At this point, you'll want to right-click on your chosen slide. This action will open up a context menu with various options. Don't worry if this menu has too many options. All you need to focus on is how you can hide the slide. It's a simple and handy feature that PowerPoint offers. Now, in the menu that popped up after you right-clicked, look for the option that says Hide Slide. Click on this option. What this does is essentially make your slide invisible when you run your slideshow. It won't delete the slide, it just keeps it out of view temporarily. You'll notice a diagonal line appears over the slide thumbnail on the left pane, indicating the slide is hidden. And that's it, you've now successfully hidden your slide from view during a presentation. If you ever need to unhide the slide, just right-click the same slide again and choose Hide Slide once more. PowerPoint will remove the hidden status and your slide will reappear in the presentation flow. Remember, hiding a slide is an excellent way to keep your presentation clean and focused on specific content you want to emphasize at any time. This feature is particularly handy during rehearsals when deciding which content to show during the live presentation. Thank you for joining me today. Hopefully you've picked up some useful tips on how to hide content in PowerPoint to make your presentations more effective. If you have any further questions or need additional help, feel free to explore more resources or reach out to someone in the PowerPoint community. Happy presenting.